Hello everyone. Today I am talking about network observability. This is how we monitor and manage networks in a modern way. Networks today are very complex, so we need better tools to understand them. Network observability helps us to see everything happening in our network and fix problems quickly. Now, the first question which arises in our mind is that what is network observability? The answer to the question is network observability means that we can see and understand what's happening inside our network. It's different from all monitoring. All monitoring just tells us you have done something wrong, and but observability tells you the complete details about what is happening and why has it happened. So it's like having a doctor who doesn't just find a fever but also finds the reason for the fever. You can consider this as a human analogy to network observability. Observability helps us fix problems before they hurt our users, and our first priority must be our users that are on the other end. We can see everything in our network in real time by network observability. I will be comparing traditional monitoring versus observability. Old monitoring is very simple. For example, you set rules like alert me if CPU is above 80%, but modern networks are quite complex. In modern networks, you are always reacting to problems after they happen. Observability is different. It collects lots of data and analyzes it all the time. It gives you complete visibility. You understand what is happening and why. This is much better than all monitoring. You can find and fix problems quickly before the users notices them, which is basically our aim, and which basically provides reliability to the users. Now I will be there is a visual representation of the difference between old monitoring and modern networking. Basically over here you can see a computer screen, and whenever there was an issue in the network, we got an alert only. Here the computer screen is replaced by a cloud icon, which shows that now the modern observability happens across the cloud systems and distributed environments, not just one. It is not limited to a single device. We will see a alert over here, but the magnifying glass here shows that we will also have a deep analysis of the reason behind the alert or the error. Now I will be discussing three pillars of observability. The first one is matrix. These are numbers we collect regularly, like how fast data moves or how much data we are using. Matrices tells us what has basically changed. Now moving towards the second type, logs. Logs are records of events in our networks, like when someone connects or when something fails. Logs tell us the details. And the third type is traces. Traces follow one request as it moves through the network. They show us the complete journey. Together, these three give us complete observability, and we understand what happened, why it happened, and where it happened. Okay, now we will be discussing why observability matters now. Networks today are very much complex. We have cloud services, different servers working together, and systems changing all the time. Users expect everything to work perfectly and very fast. If there's any problem, they notice immediately. Old monitoring cannot handle this. Observability finds problems in seconds. It tells us what's wrong right away. We can fix it before users even know there's a problem. This saves money and keeps the customer happy. It's essential for the businesses today. We will be talking about the implementation and tools of observability. To build observability, we need to collect data from many places. We watch network traffic, we watch how applications work, and we watch real users. This data goes to tools that collect and organize it. Then we use visualization tools to see the data in dashboards. Some popular tools are Grafana, Jagger, and Elasticsearch. Grafana for showing beautiful dashboards, and Jagger for tracking requests. Elasticsearch is good for storing logs. These are many. These are basically available freely on summarizing everything we learned today. First, observability is better than all monitoring. It tells us what's wrong and why. Second, we need three things: metrics, logs, and traces. Without all three, we don't see the full picture. Third, observability is necessary for modern networks. It works with cloud and complex systems. Fourth, it saves money and makes customers happy. Problems are found and fixed quickly. And lastly, it's not difficult to start. There are very freely tools available, which we discussed previously. Network observability is important for any organization today which has to prosper. And it was all about network observability and its importance. Thank you.